Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I'm down near our new hospital here, and we're going to check out, see how much it is being completed. We have the Fimi Mini 3 SE, and our winds are pretty high today. I was going to fly at the coast, but it's just way too gusty down there. So I decided to come up here, and there's a lot less wind here, but we have to keep it low, because the app was saying, I believe it was 21-mile-an-hour gusts. So I'm just about ready, guys. We are going to get a screen recording going. Waiting for this X recorder. There we go. Start. And back to the Fimi Navi mini app. Enter device. Okay. We have to... I'm not sure if I have any old files on that drone or not. I'm not going to format the SD card, just in case. It didn't tell me I have to format. So we're just going to check our camera options. It's on video. We're going to turn speed is all the way up. It's at 14 meters per second. We want high quality, which it's on. It's on 4K 30. White balance is auto. It's on H.264. We want 265. We also have vertical shooting on this. I haven't tried that yet. We've got our grid lines on. We're going to start recording. There we go. And we have 21 satellites, auto takeoff. We'll see just how gusty it is here, but it's nowhere near what it is down by the water. Well, we got a little bit of toilet bowl going on in this drone. Get a little movement, and it should stop. Yeah, stopped. You can tell it's still windy here. We are going to put the drone in sport mode. Right there. I wonder if it's still 14 meters per second max. No, now it's 16. So that's not bad. At least it gives you 2 more meters per second, and we'll take it up. We are 20 meters up. It's doing okay. Strong wind warning. Fly with caution. Just had a little tiny bit of lag there. My transmission was down in the yellow. So Fimi needs to fix this, guys. You shouldn't be getting any, transmission interference here where your signal's dropping. Especially how close I am here. Saying I'm 46 meters away. Let off the stick. Back this direction. Do we have any trouble? No. It's actually coming faster this way. So the wind is, I think the wind is blowing this direction. Get up a little bit higher. Compass interference detected. Of course. Pretty slow working on this building, eh, guys? Hey, these guys are certainly milking the job. Up a little bit higher. You can see it's still a pretty dreary looking day here. It's all we've had for the past 2 weeks now. Backing up. We'll start heading back over towards me. Yeah, it's not having any issues at this height. Even though it was telling me the high wind warning. Yeah, I'm not having any issues, but my signal is dropping down to the yellow. Actually, head over this direction. Strong wind warning, fly with caution. I'm dying with a toothache the last couple of days, guys. I'm going to have to get another tooth pulled, and it's a front one this time. There's the other building. Drop our camera down a little. Doesn't even look like there's anybody in there today. I don't see anybody in here today. So it's a great day for a fly around this loss. Nobody around the loss to worry about flying over. We are down to 79% battery. My eyesight's getting bad too. I find it hard reading the small numbers on the screen. I'm continuously getting hit with that strong wind warning and the compass interference. Oh, way down to 2 burrs there. Yeah, I can see that drone. Yeah, just terrible weather here, guys. I don't know what's going on. Like every single day is high winds here. This is the best day I've had in the past 2 weeks to be able to get out. I actually went out the other day with the Fimi telly in high winds, but that can handle the high wind. Like this, I wouldn't put this up any higher than what I have it right now. 35 meters. Maybe we'll go to 40. That'd be about it. There's 42. Oh, it's still handling it. So that's the new hospital. It's a fair size for here, I guess. I don't think it's as big as our old one, which is right over there. No, it's not as big as the old one. There's the old one, center screen there now. This is our industrial park. Strong wind warning. Compass interference detected. Please fly away from tall buildings or whatever else it says there. I'm getting some lag as I'm turning. That's the old Magna building. Like I said before, guys, these were car plants. They made transmission parts for cars. I believe it was for like companies like Chrysler and Chev. We are right down here. So 21-mile-an-hour gusts is what it said here today. It's what the app said. Actually, I think both said that. 69%, so I'm going to end it here, guys. We've been filming for 8 minutes, 23 seconds. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's flight. If you're new, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment. Make sure those notifications are on so you don't miss these videos. And until the next one, peace and out.